Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. There's really nothing sweeter than having some really comfy pillows to sleep on. That's why I'm here to tell you about these great pillows. These are from Pacific Coast, and this is a really sweet set of queen size pillows that I got and how I really feel about them. These pillows are definitely made with premium materials. You won't feel like anything is cheaply made on them. Rather, they're nice fabric, nice and soft, and they have a great thickness to them. I really appreciate that they are made with 2-ply of fabric. So even though they are down feather pillows, I have not felt one single feather starting to try to make its way out of the pillow. The seaming on the sides really helps you to always know where the pillow should be while you're sleeping. And speaking of sleeping, they are really great whether you're a side sleeper or a back sleeper, of which I am both. So I really appreciate that these are functional for both. I also really like that should I feel the need to kind of refluff it or prop it up, it really easily goes into whatever shape that I want, and it really secures itself to my back, making me feel like it's super comfy. If you want to feel like you are sleeping oh so sweetly, go with a great down pillow that's made of premium materials and that feels awesome. And that's my point of view.